service is over. I ate breakfast. Now I'm about to go ahead and plan out my videos for the rest of the year because believe it or not, I do not want to take any of these vlogs that I have. I have like 14, 13 vlogs ready to be put out. I don't want to take any of that to the new year. So I'm about to plan all that out. Also, guys, I have so much to update you on. But I read Heartbones by Colleen Hoover. And granted, listen, hear me out. She's not like the best artist or author to me. She's very easy to read. Somebody who's never picked up a book before and you wanted to offer them somebody, she's the person that you offer. Her books are so predictable. Like, I can guess what's about to happen. Not gonna lie, This Is With Us. No, it's pretty predictable. I didn't see the red flags. Okay, I don't want to spoil it for anybody who hasn't read it, but it's very easy to read. It's very good. It hooks you and pulls you, and then you get to the end and be like, what the freak? This is what happens. She builds things up and then just, and you're like, that's it? I thought it was gonna be so much better. I read Heartbones. I read It Ends With Us. I'm about to read It Starts With Us next. And then most likely I'm gonna read The Perfect Marriage because I have not been reading my Barnes & Noble's books because I have been on the Libby app. Because y'all, these books have been just hitting me all at once because the Libby app, which I'll put a picture here on the screen what it looks like, it's through your library. And being here in Dallas, when I was back in Georgia, since I was in a small town, the libraries didn't have many books. But in Dallas, any book you want, you can get. And I'm just like, I love that. So I've been reading most of my books for free on the Libby app instead of the books that I bought from Barnes & Noble, which I'm gonna read them. It's just like, since this is the library and you only have, for me, 21 days to read it, I'd rather read those because I own these, so I'll have them in my house. Y'all like my nails? I love them. There's some press-ons. Like, I refuse to go get my nails done at the salon because if I do, I will get addicted and that's money going out of our pockets, and I don't have spending money like that. We have to be very smart with our money, which is why my hair is still in twists, which is why you don't see me with braids right now because braids are just so expensive. And it's Christmas time. I can't be buying stuff for myself right now. And then I stopped doing overtime, which I'm pretty sure I explained in one of my videos why I stopped doing overtime. So the money ain't coming in like the money was coming in. That's okay, because God's here. And he will provide, right? I think I'm on the floor. Oh my gosh, I got a new MacBook. I got a new MacBook. I know I was just talking about money, but listen, okay, don't worry about that. Look, I got a new MacBook. It's so beautiful and it's bigger and I'm so happy. And they got rid of my little touch bar here that I love. That's gone now, but that's okay. It's so cute, right? Yeah, I gave my old MacBook, I mean, to be fully transparent with you, to my ex. I gave it to him. Actually, he gave me money for it. Me and my ex are still like, we're cool. So yeah, he bought it from me and then I bought this one. So yeah. There's that. I gotta show you something else too before I get started. Hold on, I'll be right back. So I was watching my YouTube video and I got influenced. I got influenced. And I bought this for the new year. Y'all probably don't know this, but a long time ago, 2020, I tried to do bullet journaling on my YouTube channel. Yeah. I can't color, I can't draw, and my handwriting is trash. Bad combination for bullet journaling. The videos performed okay, but I took them all down because it was embarrassing. I definitely have my dad's handwriting. His handwriting sucks. Like, it's worse than mine. But all my siblings, we all write alike, except for my second youngest. He has really good handwriting. But all of us, we all suck. But y'all, I bought this bullet journal, which I'm so happy about because it'll bring a piece of coloring to my life, and I want to start coloring. How? Y'all know I'm obsessed with pink. Like, pink is so powerful. How stinking cute is this? Oh my God, it is so beautiful. Do it for your future self. And look, you can color this stuff. Oh my God, like I can color all of this. And it has an overview 2025. It has your reflection from 2024, 2025 goals. And it has some blank pages. Oh my goodness, this was worth the $60, pretty much how much I spent. I think it was $58 to be exact. But then it has a full January calendar. When I was doing a bullet journal, I was doing all this myself, and it looked just so bad. Habit tracker, mood tracker, which I'm definitely gonna be using. And so it has every single day of the week. This will be coming with me everywhere I go. I'm just so excited for 2025. Like, y'all, God really showed up and showed out in 2024, I'm to the point where I really don't even have real goals. Like, I'm like, what am I making plans for? He already got it figured out. I just need to walk in them. Period. So yes, I bought this, y'all. I don't think I'm buying anything else for myself for the rest of this year. Granted, I did buy something else that's coming on later in the day, but I needed to get that, okay? And honestly, I'm proud of myself because I haven't spent so much money on myself. I've been doing a lot of giving. But I'm not gonna go into details of that because I don't give to boast. So I wanna make sure my heart stays in the right place, and the best way to do that is to not talk about that. So, because maybe my intentions wasn't to boast, but then I started boasting about it or talking about it and it leads to boasting. I don't know. Like I said, best to just stay quiet about what I'm doing. What does the Bible say? Don't let your right hand know what the left one's doing. Something like that. I'm not gonna lie. If I seen Jesus today, I probably would think he's crazy. Cause like, see, it takes me a long time to process things. And if he's talking, I'm like, sir, what? Can I record this and come back to it later? Like, I'm in the right generation. I'm in the right timeline. Cause I'm telling you, if I was in front of him, I'd be like, listen, I'm finna go home. I can't do this. This is too much for one day, okay? I can talk y'all heads off because I just love talking to y'all. Y'all my friends. Cause you know I ain't got none. All things are possible when we receive. I make a say, Okay guys, so I did go ahead and get my videos planned out. It's so funny because I was dreading doing this. Like, I have putting this off for the whole week and it literally took me like 10 minutes. But yeah, my videos are planned out for the rest of the year. These are goals. I might not meet them, I may meet them. I'm praying that I do meet every last one of these goals because I do want to get these videos out for you guys. I don't want to bring them over to the new year at all. I want to start fresh. I have so many video ideas that I want to record and do them for you, but I tell myself not to because I have so much I need to go ahead and edit and get out. So like, just know a lot of talking videos will be coming out next year. Like, I just want to talk about so much stuff. Next year's gonna be great for my channel. I just know it will. I'm super excited. But next thing on the to-do list, I need to update my journal. I have so much stuff that I want to write in my journal. I had the best day yesterday. When I say I did absolutely nothing, I just watched TV all day and updated all my stuff. So I updated my laptop, updated my phone, and updated my iPad. Now I just gotta decorate them, or is that the right word? I just have to, I don't even know what word it is. I just want to put like my widgets and redo all that stuff with it. But what was I about to do? Oh yeah, let me update my journals. Let me give y'all a little glimpse of what I'm updating my journals with. It's because I was watching a video and this just hit my mind about the connections that the Bible has. So I have Abraham and Sarah versus Joseph and Mary. Y'all gonna think I'm crazy. This is just what my mind does, y'all. But yeah, I compared them to Abraham and Sarah. A little background, they couldn't have a baby. God came and told, or an angel came and told, I don't know if it was God or an angel. I'm sorry, you have to read the story for yourself. Came to Sarah and Abraham and told them she's gonna conceive this time next year. She laughed, she's like, yeah, that's not happening. I'm getting older, can't have kids. I just think, hear me out. Yes, Mary could not have kids. Like, we don't know if that was her problem, but she was a virgin. So technically, she cannot have kids because she's never did the do. And to me, that just relates, like, that ain't no coincidence. To give you another one, not to go into detail, but to give you another one, is Abraham and Isaac versus Jesus and God. Y'all, okay, I'm going into detail, I'm sorry. God told Abraham to go and sacrifice his son Isaac, just test him, but he didn't do it. Hear me out. Because Jesus is the only one who can be sacrificed. He's the perfect lamb. It was like foreshadowing. I just feel like the Bible foreshadows a lot. And I don't know how people cannot believe in the Bible, because it's like God made connections in the Bible that no man could be prepared for, or no man could foresee. You know how hard it has to be from people of different generations, of different times, for all their stories to actually line up? If that ain't proof in the living testimony of the Bible, God is real. Jesus is real. The Bible is living and breathing. That ain't even talking about how God has used the Bible to guide me to do things, because that has happened too. That's further proof. But if you just have no proof, you have no experiences, the Bible is your experience. The Bible is your witness. That's Ooh. Spirit break out. Break them walls down. Like, y'all let people say, oh, man wrote the Bible, okay, man wrote history books, and y'all still believe that crap. We just learned that Christopher Columbus ain't who Christopher Columbus is, but y'all believe that. But when it comes to the Bible, when it comes to the Bible, okay. I'm just saying, yes, man might have wrote the Bible, but the spirit was within that man. Y'all don't say that when people giving y'all prophecies. Y'all don't say nothing about man then. It's the same exact thing. God is using man. Let me stop, because I can feel my heart. I'm so passionate about this. Let me write in my journal, y'all. Okay guys, so I am back with my lunch. It's currently 2:49. I'm actually eating kind of late. We got some butter chicken. I love Trader Joe's frozen lunches, so when I saw that Walmart had these, I grabbed so many. And so I have the butter chicken one today. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm probably gonna watch some TV for the rest of the day. I am gonna do a little bit of meal prepping later on tonight. It's gonna be very light because all I have to do is cut some carrots up, cook my cabbage for the week, and one more thing, make those brownies. And really, I don't even need to make the brownies because I don't eat brownies, but I want to use my yogurt. I don't want my yogurt to go bad. I also have a package. It tastes just like Trader Joe's. It's so good, y'all. Deep Indian kitchen. Putting y'all on right now. I think I want to add more chocolate chips because I don't have cocoa powder, because when I tried to get that store, they was out, so they didn't bring me any. And then I'm also gonna add peanut butter to it. How about we do half a cup? Half of a cup. Looks absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna try to add some water to it to make it look a little not so thick. And I was supposed to add another cup of flour, but I just chose not to because the way it was looking. Let's go ahead and transfer it to the pan, child. And I guess it kind of does look like brownie mix. It's giving chocolate pudding. My gosh, I forgot to add the milk. What do I do now? I added water. We're gonna have to hold. That's literally what it was missing, milk. I'm done cooking dinner. I don't know how to tell if this brownie is done, y'all. Something about your presence makes me feel good. And on the fork. Hurry up and get ready for work tomorrow. But I did want to show you this package as promised. I gotta wash dishes and then we're gonna eat this brownie. I think I'm gonna watch the movie while I'm washing dishes. Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh, this is literally perfect. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is, oh my goodness, I love the way it feels too. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And it can't move. There's like a grippy thing on the other side. And now look at the texture on it. It has like this waffle pattern on it. I love it so much, y'all. So it do look like a brownie. It just looks funny, like plastic. It looks like a cake, looks weird. This is definitely, if it gives Play-Doh, but it gave that when I was making the mixture. Okay, here's my little light skin brownie. It's not nasty. I tasted peanut butter, I tasted chocolate. Look at the inside of it. It's good. It's weird. I wouldn't call this a brownie. It's airy. I could be classifying it as a brownie. I'm giving it a low number, like a low rating. Maybe like a 4. But if we say it's just a sweet treat, something else that's not a brownie, we'll rate it a little higher. Cause it's not nasty. It's just weird. I'm gonna end the video out here, guys. I really enjoyed my weekend. This was the best weekend ever. It was so chill, so laid back. Yet I got a lot of stuff done. I was able to record a video for you guys. So just so excited, so blessed, so grateful. It's so much. Oh, my camera's about to die. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching.